Here I have OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this button, Eye Comfort. Tap on it once and you can enable it. Here you can select if you want to set a schedule time for it, or you can just always on. By holding your finger on this button, you can access some of its settings. For example, here you can also switch it, you can add a schedule for it. Here you can select start time, end time, and you can also change its color temperature, and you can also set it to be black and white without colors, as you can see. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.